In this question, we are given with two equations and we need to find the value of this expression. So let's see how we can find the value of this expression. What we can do in the first step is we can combine these two terms and we can combine these two terms. Let's see what I'm saying. In the first step, I will take x common and I will be left with 1 plus x square by y square. And from the next two terms, I can take y common and I will be left with y square upon x square plus 1. Now we will be taking LCM within these two brackets and we will be left with y square plus x square upon y square plus y square plus x square upon x square. Now we can take x square plus y square common. Yes. If we have taken x square plus y square as common, we will be left with x by y square plus y by x square. Correct. Now, after this step, let's see what we will be doing. After this step, we can take LCM of this bracket and we will get x square plus y square times x cube plus y cube upon x square y square. Correct. Now, after this step, the question becomes very interesting. Let's see. Now, please look at the first equation. Okay. I will be squaring this equation on both the sides. I will get x plus y whole square is equals to 4 square. Now, as the algebraic identity says, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 16. Now, x square plus y square will be 16 minus 2xy. What is xy? Xy is negative 2. So we will get x square plus y square is equals to 16 plus 4, which is 20. So please keep this in mind. X square plus y square is 20. Now, similarly, we will be doing cube of first equation. As we have done square here, we will be doing cube now. So let's do cube of first equation. X plus y whole cube is equals to 4 cube. This gives us x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. X plus y is equals to 64. After this step, let's see what happens. After this step, we will get x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. What is xy? Xy is negative 2. It is given in the question. Times x plus y. What is x plus y? X plus y is 4 times 4. This is equals to cube of 4, that is 64. If we simplify this further, we will get x cube plus y cube. This will give us 4 times 2 is 8, 24. That means 64 plus 24. X cube plus y cube will be equals to 88. Okay. Now we have found two important things. One is x cube plus y cube and the other one is x square plus y square is 20. Okay. So these are two important things. Now we will be using these two things in this. Okay. We will be coming back to this step and we will be replacing x square plus y square with 20 and x cube plus y cube with 88. So what we will get? We will get x square plus y square is 20 times x cube plus y cube is 88 upon x square y square. Okay, what is xy? Xy is negative 2. Negative 2 square. If we solve this, we will get 20 times 88 upon 4. That means our final answer will be 440. So our final answer for this expression will be 440.